Hi everyone, Lisa here with Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Today we're going to talk about why you should grow calendula flower, also known as pot marigold. So I'm here with my little patch. I have a couple of patches here in my veggie bed. Now, calendula is also an herb, so this is a great flower to grow from seed in your vegetable garden, your flower garden, or your herb garden. So let's talk about 6 great reasons why you should be growing calendula and why I love it so much. So I have a little secret for you about calendula flowers. In the past, I would just walk right by this pretty little flower, but it's not just a pretty flower. So I've learned over the years that it has a lot of benefits in your garden and as an herb and edible flower, but also the rabbits and the woodchucks stay away from it. And this is a perfect example here in my garden because we were away for a few weeks and I came back and it was actually one of the only things that hadn't been eaten in my little vegetable bed. So this is a winner for me. So let's get to our 6 reasons why I love it. Number 1, it is easy on the budget because it's so easy to grow from seed, and in fact, it will reseed itself. So if you're growing from seed, calendula flowers can grow from seed to harvest in as little as 55 to 70 days. So that's pretty quick, right? So it's a great flower to do your succession plantings with. And actually, we're heading into fall here, and I just did the last patch. I just did a little seed sowing. But all you need to do is direct sow, so that means seed right directly in your garden after danger of frost, and you're just going to lightly scatter the seeds in your garden, cover them lightly with no more than a 1/4 inch of soil, and then that's it. Water them like you do all your other flowers and veggies, and you will see some little seedlings within 7 to 14 days and have some beautiful flowers. So very easy to grow, and you may not have to buy seeds every year because it will reseed. So number 2 reason is it's so easy to care for. So all I really need to do once it gets going is I just deadhead it so I can get some more flowers. So that means I'm just cutting some spent blooms down here. And after this last time of deadheading here, because it's the end of the summer, I will leave the rest of the flower head so that I can get that reseeding. So number 2 reason is super easy to care for. Number 3 reason you should grow it is it's a pollinator magnet. These vibrant flowers are packed with nectar and pollen, making them so irresistible to a whole army of beneficial insects. So we're talking about bumblebees here, butterflies, you name it. So it's going to be a hub of activity. So number 4 is it's great for companion planting because the aphids find it so delicious. So the flower basically will take one for the team so your vegetables can thrive. So it'll attract the good guys, the predators like your ladybugs, your lacewings, and hoverflies, and protect all of your yummy vegetables in your garden. So that's pretty great. So some gardeners swear that its strong scent will help deter certain unwanted visitors, like the rabbits, and hopefully that will happen for you because I think that's one of the reasons why it's one of the only things left here. We have a little bunny haven over here this year. So number 5, as I mentioned, it's an edible flower. So you can bring these flowers fresh right into your kitchen. You want to harvest the petals and you can use them in your salads, in your egg dishes, in your soups, in your quiche. So they do have a tangy, peppery taste. And of course, they're beautiful as a garnish, but so much fun to add to some dishes and get creative with in the kitchen. And number 6, it is widely known and been used for centuries as an herbal remedy. So you will see it in oils, in some salves, and it's great for soothing the skin. A lot of lotions you'll see it in, and you can actually make your own. So you can harvest it, you can dry it, you can use it fresh, but a very nice little herbal remedy for your first aid kit. So that's it for today. There's so many great reasons to grow this little powerhouse of a plant, and in my opinion, it's a superhero in the garden. So please let me know if you use your calendula in the kitchen in some different ways, because I'm always looking for creative ways to use my edible flowers in the kitchen. I'd love to hear from you all. And thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you all at home. And if you liked our video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we love gardening.